Hi, it's Marita. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how can you start a business with no money. Let's make this happen. Alright, cool. So let's talk about how can you start business with no money, and can you actually start a business with no money? Let's make it happen, guys. So, majority of people think that there's no way you can start a business with no money, especially I'm talking business in the United States. Also, they think that you need to be present in the United States, physically present in the United States in order to start a business. And third, people think that, they need to invest a lot of money and they need to be they actually need to be wealthy before they invest. And I decided to do this video because one of you guys gave me this inspiration, because recently I made a post about how to go to six figures within 6 months, and if you missed that video, definitely check it out. So how can you go in 6 months to six-figure video? I'm gonna link it somewhere here so you can take a look. And some of you guys were like, okay, I am from a country that is not under the E2 list, so I don't qualify for E2 visa. I don't have 20K, I don't have 50K, I don't have 100K, and the visa is only for wealthy people. If you invest millions or $500,000 a minimum. So all these, what I'm describing, are excuses, because I started with 700, okay? And actually, in fact, I started with 0 and I started in debt, and that is how I started, okay? And so if your excuse is that, okay, I don't have money, really guys, that's just an excuse, because you can start business, you can start online business, you can incorporate the United States while you are living abroad, meaning in your home country, and you can start small and then you can scale and grow over time. So really guys, it's just an excuse. And if you're telling me that, okay, I'm not from a treaty country, so what? You can still start. You can incorporate a business in your home country, and you can do it, for example, online. These days, so many companies are running businesses online. Why can't you start a business online and start making money? It can be either product or service that you can sell online, connect with people, because we do have internet, so we can actually connect with people all around the world, and you can sell your products or your services to people that are living in different countries. So obviously there is a way if there is a will. And so if you guys are still thinking, oh, I'm not rich, I'm not this, I'm not that, guys, honestly, it's just excuse, and it's just in your mind, and it's your limited thinking, all right? And if you have this limited thinking, I invite you to check out my course, the mindset for aspiring entrepreneurs. I'm gonna actually share the link below this video, and check it out, because that course is literally showing you how you start and how you need to have the right mindset. Now, that being said, I want to encourage you to start a business in your home country, or you can incorporate in the United States, and you can have an LLC, for example, in the United States, and then you can start serving people. You can open up bank account in the United States under B visa, for example, or even under ESTA, and then you start serving people. You leave the country, you don't have the E2 visa or L visa, fine, you can still serve people, right? And that is something you can do even though you don't have any funds. And that is exactly how I started my own company. That is exactly how I started when I was in debt, because after I graduated law school, I couldn't find H-1B visa sponsor. Nobody would hire me, and I didn't have any money. So I just started from the scratch, and I didn't even have experience. So I had no idea how to navigate everything. I was lost, if you know what I mean. I had to study, learn, trial, error, fail, get up, do it again. So honestly guys, if you really, really, really want to make it happen, you will find a way. Now, if you feel like what I'm sharing with you today is resonating with you, then I want to invite you to join the webinar that is specifically designed for you. And this is a webinar training where I'm actually going to show you how can you start business in the United States with no money? Because it's for people who's got no money. Majority of people don't have money, and I want to show you how you can do it as well, how you can make it happen. Just like I made it happen with my $700, you can certainly make it happen, all right? So if you feel like it's resonating what I'm sharing with you here today, definitely check out the link. I'm posting the link, how you can sign up for the webinar. It's gonna be below this video. Sign up and I'll see you inside of the webinar. It's a live training with me, so I'm also gonna cover your questions and it's gonna be interactive. And so there you have it, guys. If you have any other excuse that, by the way, the webinar is free. So you can literally just get started. And I hope that by saying all this, I'm eliminating all your excuses, guys, and I want to see you happy and I want to see you living your American dream. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Welcome. And if you do like this video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe so you receive my weekly and sometimes even daily updates. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.